The Legend of Malakas at Maganda. In the very beginning, there existed only two primordial entities, the vast and boundless Tala, the god of the sky, and the deep, swirling Dagat, the goddess of the sea. For countless millennia, they coexisted in a quiet opposition, their immense powers held in a delicate balance. Tala was a benevolent and wise ruler whose dominion endlessly stretched above, while Dagat, equally powerful, harbored ancient secrets and immense energy within her depths. One day, a great storm arose, not from anger, but from a growing restlessness within both Tala and Dagat. The sky thundered with unparalleled might, and the sea churned with furious waves. They clashed against each other in a cosmic dance, a tumultuous interaction, a collision of their very essences. This chaotic union gave birth to a single, colossal bamboo stalk that floated upon the agitated waters. As the storm subsided, a magnificent bird, the majestic Manaul, soared through the newly calmed expanse. Manaul, a creature of ancient wisdom and keen sight, noticed the solitary bamboo stalk. Driven by curiosity, it pecked at the stalk. Its sharp beak repeatedly struck the hard surface until, with one final, powerful peck, the bamboo split apart. From one half emerged a man, Malakas, strong and well-built. Manal named him Malakas, meaning strong. From the other half emerged a woman, Maganda, beautiful and graceful. Manal named her Maganda, meaning beautiful. They were the first humans born from the cosmic union of sky and sea, brought forth by the persistent effort of the wise bird. Malakas and Maganda gazed at each other in wonder. Manaul, observing their amazement, instructed them to fill the world. From their union, the first children were born. As their family grew, Malakas and Maganda faced the challenge of providing for their burgeoning offspring. They learned to cultivate the land, fish in the waters, and construct shelters from the natural materials around them. However, the children of Malakas and Maganda multiplied rapidly, and the world began to feel crowded. Some of their descendants became disobedient and lazy, refusing to work or contribute. Malakas, witnessing this growing disunity, grew annoyed. In a moment of righteous anger, he struck the earth with his mighty staff, causing a great earthquake. The ground shook violently, and the seas roared. From the cracks that opened in the earth, some of the disobedient children fell into the depths, becoming the ancestors of various spirits and creatures of the underworld. Others, struck by lightning from the heavens, were transformed into different races of people, each with their own unique skin color and language, spreading to the newly formed islands. Still others who hid in the volcanic ash became the dark-skinned people, while those who fled to the mountains became the light-skinned people. After this great upheaval, Malakas and Maganda, though saddened by the scattering of their children, understood that this was how the world was intended to be. They continued to watch over their descendants, guiding them through the challenges of life. And so, the islands of the Philippines were formed, populated by the diverse offspring of Malakas and Maganda, forever tied to the sky above, the sea below, and the wisdom of the great bird Manaul.